Well, there's my SMSL PL200T CD transport, all the way from AliExpress. Look at that packaging. It's bubble wrapped double. Now we'll do a quick unboxing for you. And of course, the first thing is the manual and a beautiful inch-thick foam insert to hold the top cover and the metal that holds down the disc. And it's got plastic on each side that you peel off, okay, to protect it. And just to let you know, it's not all that grooved out here for your fingers, so the big fingers are going to have a little harder time to put this off and on. And there is the beautiful machine, the SMSL PL200T transport, and with a nice power cable and remote control. And as you see, you have to add your own batteries, which is normal. And underneath the power cable, then you get the USB to USB-C cable. And of course there's the card inside too, SMSL. And here's the machine outside. Look at that beauty. Hefty, pretty hefty. Some of you have already seen this probably on YouTube already. There's the back end of it right there. As you can see, all the nice plug-ins. It's just a transport, remember, and there's some good rubber feet on the bottom, as you see. Beautiful rubber feet. They're at least to protect it there. So there it is, and I'll take this off, show you. Like I said, you got to have some good fingers, and the magnet, you can feel that just grip. It just grips right perfectly. Okay, we'll be showing you a video soon here with this hooked to the new WiiM VibeLink amplifier. There you go. There's the unboxing of the SMSL PL200T CD transport. Look how beautiful that sits right on top of the WiiM VibeLink amp. It's like they were a match made in audio heaven.